fans will have to hold on until April 2028 to watch the Beatles come alive on the big screen. 4 separate biopics are on the way, with Paul Mescal, Harris Dickinson, Joseph Quinn, and Barry Keoghan portraying Paul, John, George, and Ringo. But while waiting for the films, fans can dive back into the band's legendary story through the newly reissued 25th anniversary edition of the Beatles Anthology. Originally released over 2 decades ago and now re-released on October 14, 2025, this 368-page collector's book traces the entire journey of the Fab Four, from their teenage days in Liverpool to becoming global icons, and finally to their heartbreaking split. Endorsed by Paul, George, Ringo, and Yoko Ono Lennon, and featuring John Lennon's own words collected from archives around the world, this special edition remains the only official story of the Beatles told by the Beatles themselves. Packed with vibrant full-color pages, rare photos, and behind-the-scenes stories, the book offers an intimate look into the world's most influential rock band. It's a must-have for every Beatles devotee, whether you're a lifelong fan or a newcomer discovering their magic for the first time. Since its reissue, the Anniversary Edition has already earned glowing reviews and 5-star ratings across online retailers. One fan raved, "As a second-generation fan, I never had the first edition. Now I finally own this piece of history." Absolutely brilliant. Having seen countless music biographies through the years, it's clear that the Beatles Anthology stands apart as a true time capsule of rock history. It reveals insights, photos, and personal reflections you won't find anywhere else, not even online. With previous editions long sold out, this is your chance to grab a rare collector's treasure. Get the Beatles Anthology now while it's still under $50, and step inside a day in the life of the band that changed music forever. Available at Amazon, Walmart, and Barnes & Noble.